Have you ever noticed something strange after 60? Not a sudden change, but a slow, quiet one. Like getting up from a chair and feeling your legs take just a second longer than they used to. Or walking upstairs and realizing your body doesn't respond as quickly as it once did. Most people assume this is just normal aging, something you simply accept. But what if that's not the full story? Because there's something most people never get told. And it has less to do with age, and more to do with what your body is being fed every single day. In fact, there are certain foods that may be quietly slowing down muscle recovery after 60, while others might actually help your body rebuild strength faster than you think possible. Not chicken, eat these 4 foods after 60 to build muscle 3x faster. And today, I want to walk you through 4 simple foods that could completely change how your body holds muscle, supports strength, and maintains stability as you get older. But stay with me, because one of these foods is something you may already eat regularly, just not in the way your body actually needs it. And another one is often ignored completely, yet it may be one of the most important for strength after 60. Let's take this step by step, because here's something most people don't realize. Muscle loss after 60 is not just about aging. It's about how your body is constantly rebuilding itself, or slowly failing to rebuild. Every day, your muscles go through a quiet cycle, breaking down, repairing, rebuilding strength. But when the signals for rebuilding slow down, your strength doesn't disappear suddenly. It fades quietly in the background of daily life. You might notice it when carrying groceries, or when standing too long, or even when your legs feel slightly less steady than before. And because it happens slowly, most people don't connect the dots. They think it's just age. But what if certain foods are actually influencing that process more than you realize? Not in an extreme way, but in a daily, subtle pattern your body responds to over time. So let's begin with the first food. Green salad food number 1, the quiet strength supporter. There is one food that often gets overlooked, because it doesn't look powerful at first glance. But inside your body, it plays a much bigger role than most people realize. This food helps support the raw materials your muscles rely on for repair, especially after physical activity like walking, lifting, or even simple daily movement. And after 60, that recovery process becomes more important than ever. Because it's not just about strength. It's about how quickly your body can restore it. When your recovery is steady, your legs feel more reliable, your movements feel more controlled, and everyday tasks feel less draining. And the interesting part is, many people already eat this food, but they don't think about when or how they're using it, which means they never fully unlock its benefit. But this is only the first piece of the puzzle, because the next food works in a completely different way. Not just rebuilding strength, but supporting how your body delivers energy to your muscles in the first place. And that changes everything. Herb food number 2, the circulation supporter. Now this next food is interesting, because it doesn't just work on muscle directly. It works on something just as important. Flow. Because even if your muscles are strong, they still depend on how well your body delivers oxygen and nutrients to them. And after 60, that delivery system can slow down slightly without you even noticing. You may feel it as fatigue that comes faster than before, or legs that feel heavier during normal walking. This food supports that internal flow, helping your body deliver what your muscles need to stay active and responsive. And when that improves, even small daily movements start to feel easier again. You don't notice it all at once. But over time, the difference becomes real. And this is where things start to get more interesting. Because the third food is something most people completely underestimate. Yet it plays a role in how your body handles daily stress and recovery at the same time. Leafy green food number 3, the hidden recovery supporter. This next food doesn't always get attention in conversations about strength. But it should. Because strength is not only built through protein or energy. It's also built through how well your body manages internal stress. And when that stress builds up quietly, recovery slows down, movement feels less smooth, and stiffness can appear more often. This food supports your body in handling that internal load more efficiently, which means your muscles don't have to work against as much resistance during recovery. And when recovery becomes smoother, strength naturally feels easier to maintain. But even now, we haven't reached the most surprising part yet. Because the fourth food is the one most people overlook completely, and yet it may have one of the strongest influences on how your body rebuilds after 60. Egg food number 4, the most overlooked strength food. This is the one that surprises many people. Because it doesn't look special, it doesn't feel powerful, but your body responds to it in a very direct way. This food supports the rebuilding process your muscles depend on after daily activity. And after 60, that rebuilding process becomes the difference between feeling weak and feeling steady. When your body responds better to recovery signals, you don't feel that same slow decline in strength over time. Instead, your body feels more responsive, more stable, and more supported in everyday movement. But here's something important to understand. Even if you are eating the right foods, there are still common habits that can quietly work against your strength without you realizing it. Because not every everyday food choice supports muscle recovery the same way. Some foods can make your body work harder than it should, especially when it comes to managing energy and recovery balance. You may not feel it immediately, but over time, your body may feel slightly more tired, slightly less responsive, and slightly slower to recover after simple activity. And the difficult part is, most people never connect this feeling back to their daily food habits. They assume it's just age again. But your body often tells a quieter story than that. And this is where everything starts to come together. Because muscle strength after 60 is not just about one food or one habit. It's about how multiple small signals in your daily routine either support your body or slowly reduce its efficiency. And once you start seeing it this way, you begin to notice things you never paid attention to before. Like how your energy changes after certain meals, or how your legs feel at different times of the day, or how recovery feels slower without a clear reason. But there's still one final thing most people miss. And it might be the most important part of all. Because at this stage of life, strength is not just about muscles. It's about independence. Being able to move without hesitation, to stand without effort, to walk without fear of instability. And the truth is, small daily food choices quietly shape that experience more than most people realize. Not through miracles, not through extremes, but through steady patterns your body responds to every single day. And once you understand that, you stop thinking about aging as something that just happens to you, and start seeing it as something you can actually influence, one simple choice at a time. If this helped you understand your body a little better today, leave a comment and tell me which part surprised you the most. And if you want more simple, clear insights like this, make sure to subscribe, because there's still a lot more about aging and strength that most people never get told. Just remember this. It's not about fighting age. It's about understanding your body well enough to support it every single day. And sometimes the smallest changes make the biggest difference over time.